How to see past members in group chat on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application, WhatsApp. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Now head over to any of the group that you want to see the past members. Once you're inside the inbox of the group, you have to click on the profile of the group. Now scroll down and you will be able to see all of the members. You have to click on See All. Once again, you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see the option where it says See Past Members. Click on it. And there you go. All of the past members of this group will be available to you in this page. So that's how you'll be able to see the past members in group chat on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.